All right.
Can I?
Yep.
Thank you, Logan.
That one's from Mommy and Daddy.
Oh, thank you, Mommy and Daddy. Whoa!
What is it?
Tinkerbell. It's Tinkerbell puzzle. Look. Look on the back.
Mm-hmm.
See?
Okay.
Now the other one. And who is this one from?
Mommy and Daddy.
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
You're welcome.
And what's the big one gonna be?
I don't know. You'll have to see.
It's a Barbie phone.
It's a little game thing, honey.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah. The same as what on the computer.
Oh, you're right.
What's that?
Look at Logan. Is Logan watching Miley open her presents? Logan! Logan!
I don't know how it works.
Logan! Hey, Logan. No, alright.
Mom, this one's from Logan.
You're right. What is it? It's sisters. That's Barbie and her little sisters.
And a kitty and puppy and a little girl and a girl puppy.
That's Barbie and her sisters. Let's see.
Oh, a little.
It's Barbie and Stacy and Skipper and Chelsea. What do you think?
Good.
You like it?
Yeah.
What do you say to Logan?
Thank you, Logan.
He went and bought that himself yesterday.
This is a great present. Even these are great presents, Mommy and Daddy.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Good.
I'm happy I got new Barbies.
You are? That's cute.
Mom, can I play with these?
Yep, okay. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, good for your